Hello, my name's Lloyd, and I'm here to tell you about the 12-mile heritage line, known as the East Lancs Railway. Oh, it's a beautiful sight, with 7 stations that you can travel to, from Haywood all the way to Rawtenstall. A lovely place rich in history and heritage. There's lovely rail-themed places like the Whistle Stop Cafe Carriage, with award-winning and authentic scran there you can eat much to your heart's content. There's, as expected, the most important thing here too. Trains! Ranging from big and small, steam to diesel, heck, even electric! This line, while sticking to heritage, is always changing. Its events are even more amazing. So come on down to the East Lancs Railway, or you'll be sure to have a splendid day. Alright, there's a train coming.